guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be just a cleaning video and me taking down all of my Christmas decorations, and I just wanted to do a quick intro instead of doing the voiceover today, and so this is it. This video was spanned between 2 days. I actually started this video on Friday, and then I'm finishing it today, which is Monday, or Tuesday. Actually, it's Tuesday today. But I just figured I'd hurry and do a little intro, outro thing here, just to explain what I'm doing. And so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I will let you guys get on into the cleaning video. Bye!
Go losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you'll make them just be alone. Under your spotlight.
Shine.
That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you wrote off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a fire, feeling it shine under your spotlight. You want me to just be alone. Like it's a fire under your spotlight.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere.